Hey there, this is how you easily change a Nissan Murano 2015 to 2021 key fob battery. All you need is a mini screwdriver and a CR2032 battery. I left a link to the battery below this video for Amazon to get it for yourself. So what you need to do here is pop out the spare key as I did with that little switch. Then you take the mini screwdriver, put it in the corner like this, and you turn it a little bit, and the side of the fob should pop open. You put your mini screwdriver down the side of the fob here, turning it a little bit to open it. Make sure you don't use too much pressure so you don't crack the fob key itself. You keep pushing on it like this and it'll slowly open up. And then what you need to do is to take your mini screwdriver and put it on the other corner on the other side. Do the same thing with the screwdriver and then slowly open it up, and it will reveal the CR2032 battery that's inside. So you use your mini screwdriver here to take out the battery, and then you can put in your brand new battery. As I mentioned, I linked it below this video for your convenience. Make sure you put the plus facing down so that it works. Then you need to put the key fob back together. It just snaps back into place. Line it up, push it together, it'll snap into place. Put the backup key back into the fob, and you're good to go. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing for more how-to videos.